Hello, it's me. It's me again, your cameraman, and right now it's about 3:06 p.m. and it's still kind of cloudy. Right now, I see the trucks in motion. The yellow one is not. Maybe it's because it might be short of people. It's only about like one or two staffs there today. Maybe just one. I noticed that today. And they're using the orange bulldozer. It's like getting the rocks out of there and put it in. They still working hard for this, but it takes time to build the place. I wish they could get these people out of here so I can have fun over there. They're still doing it. Everybody's coming home from school now. Sorry about that, folks. All the school buses is there. I don't see no mini school buses. Like I used to be on that when I was in Queens. Remember that? Yeah. I think I see one of them now. I miss being in schools and day habs. Yeah, problem is I did outgrown them. That's the reason. Tonight it might be like getting cold, like 33, 34 degrees. At least we're in early January. We'll be near like mid-January on the 10th. Probably by then it might be cold or warm. There could be the answers. Oh gosh. They're still doing that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this second video for the today's update of the construction. Maybe I'll see you later for more, if they ever make it more. You just take care and comment, subscribe, to ring the bell. Later, folks.